Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get diamonds in Stardew Valley. So it's relatively easy to go ahead and find diamonds. You just have to keep playing the game and then eventually you will stumble upon multiple diamonds. So the first thing that you want to do is to basically go through the mines. Now, by now you should know how to go through the mines. It's inside the mountain path right here, which is going to be on this specific location beside the Adventurers Guild and beside the Carpenter's house. Just head over to this specific location and then you will get the mines right here. Now, from there, you just want to keep digging and then eventually you will come across multiple geodes like this one. Now, there's multiple types of geodes out there. There's the magma one and there's the ice one. You can just gather them all and from there you then want to take it to the blacksmith house. Now, to get to the blacksmith house, you just want to head over to town, going through this straight pathway right here. Head over to this bridge and then you want to go down into this specific location. Now, you can also get diamond by fishing, so you can just fish on any body of water right here. Let's go ahead and try a couple of fishing to see if we find any diamonds or any treasure. And after fishing for a couple of tries, I'm not able to get myself a treasure chest which contains diamond. So you need to go fishing and then eventually you will get a chest that have a chance to contain a single diamond. Now, another method once again is by heading over to the blacksmith right here. Click on the process geodes and then you can just process your geodes from blacksmith and then you have a chance of getting diamonds this way. So there's the fishing one and there's the geodes one. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.